air. Air is a mixture of gases. It is present everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air occupies space. When we fill air into a balloon, its size increases. Air has weight. We can prove as follows. Empty ball will be lighter and air-filled ball will be heavier. Air helps in burning. All living beings need air. It helps in breathing. Fast-moving air is called wind. Wind can move things. Soothing air is called breeze. Air helps in drying clothes, sailing boat, flying kite, swimming tube. To show that air helps in burning, place lighted candle on the table. Cover it with an empty glass. Candle stops to burn because there is no air inside.